Did you my back? His back up? Tapping his head.
Keenan, you're confusing.
Yeah, confused.
Oh, he's sweet.
Oh,
Keenan.
he's worried.
It's okay, buddy. It's fine.
He's looking at you.
Oh.
Yeah, he's like,
Oh.
What's wrong with you? What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
Yeah. If you only knew how I got this, you would say that.
He's like, what are you doing? He's like, are you an idiot? Think.
Y'all come look at this guy's knee. I'm okay, buddy. Yeah, put your knee up there and see.
That's so sweet.
Oh.
I wish I could pet you. All metaphorically pet you.
Look at you. He's just like, think.
Think before you try and run on a wall.
Bye.
Wow, he's big.
Yeah.
What's the baby one?
He has dreadlocks.
Mommy, what's the baby one?
I don't know where the baby is.
Hey.
Austin usually has some
Oh my God.
on the right.
Why is he lips so
Good. He's done with it. Hey, he's done.
Okay.
That's a little poopy-haired monkey. I don't know.
A poopy hair monkey?
Poopy. Look, they're all over there. There's a couple different types, I think, in there chilling.
Yeah, that's what's it called? A cotton top tamarine.
Oh, look, there's where the bird went.
Something.
What are you doing?
He's having a heart attack.
Where's that? What? Huh?
Hey, monkey, my monkey.
Look at the monkey. He's just like, yeah, munching. He's so little. Look at the monkeys back there. They look like itty bitty orangutans.
That one does, yeah. That's exactly what he looks like.
He's like, quit touching me.
Well, they're the same thing as that monkey. They were just groomed better.
No, that's my tail. Quit biting my tail.
Look, it's Albert Einstein.
Munching on some lettuce. Trying to figure out the theory of relativity. There goes a baby. It's annoying that I did that. It's a cotton top tamarine.
A pot-toss monkey?
He looks so lonely. Oh, wait, there's another one right there. He looks angry.
Where?
On the ground right there by us.
Our electric thingy-mabobber.
Yeah.
Wait, the one on the ground looks angry?
He could escape. He did
Yeah,
when he
he
looked
could.
at us.
He's like, yeah, I'm scavenging, but I don't find nothing. This world is strange. Look, that's like there's like the animals that go crazy. You know? They're like, I've got to find the food. I've got to find the food. What's up?
Yeah.
Why are people feeding me? Why am I being fed?
What are these things?
I gotta find the food. Pot-toss monkeys.
Pata?
P-A-T-A-S.
Potters?
Potus? Potus monkeys?
Pot-toss monkeys.
I don't know. That sounds more right.
What was that bird? Escaped. Look, I looked that way and then for the monkey, I didn't see it.
Yeah, they could easily escape without the electrical. We seen one earlier.
Yeah.
He looks old and wise.
It's like, go away, go away. The lion's broken out today. The lion's breaking out today. Run.
Where'd the carousel sail?
Come on, okay, we'll make our way over there. Oh, look at that. Let's see these ones.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
I'm on drill.
He's planning his escape. He's like, I will come back here tonight and start digging. Don't look at my cards.
You don't like cards?
Yeah, it's all. What's that? When did that
This little
get
piggy
there?
went to market.
Yeah. Scratch my nuts, scratch my nuts.
What's he doing now?
I feel like I'm violating. I wish I could do that.
I can do that. I just don't want to.
Yeah, that's right. Show off.
Come on, come on.
Finish the job.
He's probably gonna knock that other one off. That's exactly what he wants to do.
Look, he turns like,
He doesn't.
what?
Oh, Adam, he doesn't like you. Look at that.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, he likes him. He's just showing off. He's like, ooga booga.
I'm going. He's gonna leap at me.
There's a fence in between you and him. You know that, right?
Look at his face.
Keenan.
This one's called.
He's like,
He's ferocious.
Hi, pretty.
He's like,
he's so
what?
mad.
What? What?
What? What?
He's gonna die.
Oh!
You made him mad.
No, you see, like,
Oh, he's just a little excited.
Look,
Keenan, he's been glaring at you this whole time.
Yeah, he's gonna get out and he's gonna rip your face off.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
That came close.
Your
Oh,
turn.
now you
Your
gotta-
turn.
God,
You can do it too.
you can do it too.
He's like, no, I'm a pacifist.
He's gonna go for it. He's gonna go for it. Oh, he's scared. Oh! They're so pissed at you.
Keenan, he almost got you.
I know. Oh, that made me happy.
He's gonna do it again.
He wants you. He wants to murder you, dude. He is so pissed. He's gonna make it and he's gonna bite your
He
finger off.
knows. I think he knows the second time. He's like, I can't get you anyways.
Oh, look, he's gonna get your finger. I'm gonna
You're gonna
laugh.
regret sticking your hand out
Yeah,
there.
you're gonna regret this.
I don't think he can get my finger.
He just growled at you.
Yeah, he's gonna look. He's like he's challenging you to a duel. Hey, go ooh ooh ah ah.
I don't think those monkeys make that. Yeah, never mind.
I don't know.
Yeah, close. Except he's ferocious.
He's like, whatever, I'm done.
I'm sure he's sweet.
He is not done.
He doesn't know what to do. He's like, should I jump?
He's like, what can I do? What can I do? What? Oh, whoa.
Oh, he's not mad.
No.
He's just playing.
He's just playing.
Stick your hand out there again, Keenan. Make him jump.
Oh, look, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Oh! Oh, he's so pissed.
He hates
Look at you.
I was like, oh, he's gonna get out there. No.
He hates you so. Look, he's gonna do it again. He just wants to jump. It's funny that they both did it.
I feel sorry for him.
That
doing
one
the
was
same
like-
thing over and
That
over
one's
again.
a lot bigger than
Yeah.
Now I was all like, whatever. I don't care anymore.
Now he does. Oh, he's peeing.
Keenan, he really hates you. Look how he feels about you right
Look,
now.
monkeys throw poop. So
I'm sure he's just playing. He doesn't hate me. He thinks I'm awesome.
look, oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you so bad.
That big monkey wants to come
Look,
over
he's
here.
gonna rip your finger off. Look, they're strong.
That monkey is not that big. I ripped my finger off. That's a little far. He might break it. He might break it. But no cartilage is getting ripped.
That one might break your finger off.
Yeah, that one.
He's like, what? We're breaking fingers over here?
He's gonna... Look, that one's all like really angry. The other one's just kind of like, oh, I'm small. That one's all like, that one's all like buffing up to you.
Yeah, he's bowing up, letting you know what's up.
Show him your teeth.
I love that they literally do the whole what? 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 You want some? You want some? You want some of this? No, you don't want none of this. That's what
Stick
I
your hand
thought.
down there. That's what makes him mad.
Follow the. He knows. He's like, I can't get you. I'm not stupid. I'm not wasting energy on you.
Oh, should we go to another one?
Yeah.
That was great, Keenan.
That was
Did you
great.
get that all filmed?
Did you, Adam?
Yeah.